So here is a look at functions. This is actually a function that I use, and a function is just a piece of reusable code that you use over and over again. Here you can see up here, define statement, set a constant. Here I'm calling a PHP built-in function to set our time zone to the correct time zone. This is the name of my function, log me. Here's the arguments that I'm passing in. String to write, and a file name. If I don't pass in file name, it'll be unknown. First, we'll do an if statement. We'll check to see if it's not a directory, this particular directory where I'm writing the log to, then I'll make a directory there. Next, you see that I have a variable called valid file names, which consists of an array. These are the valid file names that I expect to be passed in. I don't want anyone creating whatever file that they want. So here is the next line. This is basically an if statement that says if the file name is in the array of valid file names, go ahead and return the file name .log. Otherwise, we'll log it in unknown.log. The string to write is equal to the string to write that I've passed in, but in case it's an array or a special variable, I will do the printr statement, and then sometimes I've had an array as that special variable again, so I just do it again. Then you can see I set a $U to Joe. I open the file handle of my above file name, specified on line 16, and this is going to be append. We're going to append to that file, and then I'll write the following to the following file handle. I'll call the date function, grab the current date in that format, dash, username, dash, and then the string to write that was passed in, and then a new line. And then I'll close that file. So this is basically how we use functions. We give it a function, give it a name, maybe an argument list with parentheses. You start off with the squiggly bracket, you end with the squiggly bracket. That's a function.